Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'm going to show you a farmer's best friend. I'm going to show you that what it takes to raise guinea fowl successfully. Every farm, homestead, lifestyle should have guinea fowl on it. From pest control to guard dogs. This is the episode for you. In today's video I'm going to run you through a very successful technique I'm using to raise guinea fowl chicks. But you can use this for any poultry. So if you follow this process that I'm doing, you will definitely have a high success rate. So I don't use an incubator to breed out my guinea fowl eggs. So what I do is I use bantams. The females are always clocky. And they make amazing parents. Problem here on the farm with hawks, I would say 90% of all my nests are being destroyed by hawks. So what I need to do is I need to take the eggs away when I found the nests. So I normally watch and keep an eye on the hawks. As soon as I see a hawk goes down and I hear guinea fowl going on, then I know there's a nest there. And what I normally do is I just go and raid the nest, take all the eggs out and save the eggs. I have bred eggs successfully that's laid like 4 weeks old, so it can be done. Just keep them in a cool place. I normally just have them in the kitchen in a normal egg tray. The next thing what I do is as well, if I do let my guinea fowl breed themselves, as you've seen with that pair there, they are really good parents. Whatever I've heard some people not had anything good to say about their parental skills, but they are amazing parents. It's just you need to let them do their thing. Also, what people don't really realize is that if you breed anything out of an incubator, if you breed any eggs out of an incubator, 99% of those chicks you breed will probably not be breeders themselves. They will lay a ton of eggs, but they will not sit on the eggs and get broody. They lose their natural instinct when it comes to eggs in an incubator. That's also the reason why I let bantams breed my guinea fowl chicks, because I sell my guinea fowls to farmers around New Zealand. I'm probably the biggest guinea fowl breeder in New Zealand. I try to breed up to 200 chicks a year. I've got probably about 30 odd pairs. I started the guinea fowl farming a couple of years back, and what I did was I bought 6 groups from right around New Zealand, as far as in Incubator, down in South Island, and I put all those genes together, and I created my own gene pool. As such, I have a very successful rate when it comes to guinea fowl. Normally 99% of all my chicks survive. I had some issues with massive rats. Rats that killed my chicks during the night, so I had to put some poison out for the rats. Or my pixie bob cats normally kill the rats as well. But apart from that, I mean, they are amazing animals. They make a lot of noise. They are extremely good guard dogs. You will know if something is not right on your property, or if something is on your property that shouldn't be there. They will let you know. Apart from that, I mean, the main reason for guinea fowl is ticks, fleas, sandflies, mosquitoes, pests. They're just a pest control. When we moved onto this farm, we had a massive issue of sandflies, was terrible. And these guys, within 2 years, I would say the sandflies was almost non-existent. They were just annihilating the sandflies. Ticks and fleas as well, same thing. My animals, largely my animals are tick free, but you do get the occasional tick as on any farm or livestock property. So the first thing we need is some grass. You need to look for longer grass than normal if you can. So what I do is so you need to look for longer grass if I can find. Okay, this is about enough. So the next process, so we need to clip this grass in very small fine bits. Try not to make them too long because they can get stuck in the tiny chick's throat. Okay, that's about 2 hands full. So you need to do this every time you feed the chicks. So I'm taking all these clippings and I just throw it out there, and you will see now. So the other thing I do is I mix it with meat bed crumble. So I throw some meat bed crumble in there for them with it, and they will take the chicks to it. If you guys would like to know a bit more about the Guinea fowl breeding, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of my process and raising the Guinea fowl. That's the buffalo up there. She wants to come home. She's out in the paddocks during the day. So in short, feed my Guinea fowl chicks meat bed crumble with the grass clippings. If you do that for the first 2 weeks, you will have a very high success rate in breeding Guinea fowls or any poultry. It is very important that you have the green clippings in there because they eat grass as well. After 2 weeks, I let the parents out with the chicks. As soon as the wings have enough feathers on it, they can go out with the parents, and then I try to get them back into their enclosure every night if I can, for another about 2 or 3 weeks, and after that they've got free rein and wild Guinea fowl. Just would like to say thank you for your support, and the buffalo says thank you as well. You can hear the dogs bark and the buffalo because she grew up with the dogs. If the dogs bark, she barks. I've got a video of that as well on my channel. Yeah, so she barks and they bark. Just thank you again for your support. I've got more videos on this side, and please do subscribe, leave a comment and share, and please help grow this channel. Thank you.